Hi, I'm Dave Humphrey with KOMAX Business Systems. Here today to talk to you more about the mailing solutions that we have here at KOMAX. One of the things I'd like to introduce today is our folder inserter, our base model, the FPI 700. If your office is making less than 5,000 envelopes per month to send out and you're having a hand fold, this would be a great solution for your office. It is a small desktop unit that has the capability of 2 media trays, so you can feed one sheet at a time into an envelope, fold, insert. You can use a second tray to fold and insert into the same sheet, and even add a business reply envelope or a insert mailer. This system could increase your capacity by up to 10 times the speed. With this system, it again will allow you to fold, insert from multiple trays into an envelope, sealed or non-sealed, at up to 1,350 envelopes per hour and being sealed, or up to 1,650 per hour non-sealed. So let me show you how easy this is to take your documents and load the system. First, all we have to do is release the hopper. I'm going to load my documents up to 100 sheets in at a time. I do have an adjustment wheel so that I can adjust the side guides. Once I have my side guides adjusted, all I have to do is lock in that tray. If I have a second sheet I would like to insert, I would just load the second tray in exactly the same way. Next, I want to take my envelopes that I'm going to insert, and I'm just going to insert them into the tray here on the back side. From there, I want to go ahead and select the job that I have. I can program up to 15 jobs in at a time. Right now I have 2 jobs set up. I have one for demo, which is just going to be a single sheet. As it's showing here, is letter into a number 10 envelope. And this will allow me to either edit the job now, run one as a sample to make sure it's the way I want it, or I can just hit the start button and let it run. As you can see, our envelopes have come out, already folded, perfectly aligned. If I pull out my job, you can see that I have nice, clean, crisp folds onto a single sheet of paper. Very fast, much faster than hand folding. So if we would like to take this same similar job, but yet we want to add an insert, in this case I'm going to add flyer to insert into my envelope, or this could be a business reply envelope, also known as a BRE. All we would have to do is in our rear tray, I'm going to just pull back on the tray, load in my inserts. I do have a side guide here that I need to adjust for the width, and then after that I'm ready to roll. Only thing I have to do now is give it a program here, and this will allow us to actually do an insert with the current job. We can see again our address is perfectly aligned, and as I pull out my letter, I do have my insert already inserted. So, as a quick recap, the FPI 700 is an entry-level folder inserter with up to 2 media trays, an insert tray for a business reply envelope or an advertisement, and then to also fold and insert into a number 10 or a 6 to 9 envelope. If this system is not large enough for your needs, or you're exceeding 5,000 envelopes per month, we do have larger systems that we would be happy to show you, and we can accommodate just about any of your mailing needs. Thank you again, and please contact us for more information.